Hi, I'm Chihao, co-founder of Spinoff Robotics. Cargo hold cleaning is costly, inefficient, and often dangerous. It costs $50,000 to clean, 4 days of downtime, and it incurs a loss of more than $120,000 in revenue during this period. And this is a $2 billion problem for the industry per cleaning. This operation is dangerous, as falling from heights is among the top 3 causes of fatal workplace injury worldwide. Spinoff Robotics is cost-effective, efficient, and safer. We employ advanced data analytics for large-scale cleanliness detection and classification to optimize the cleaning process. We use a drone to replace human working at heights and heavy machineries to be able to perform the delicate task of pressure-sensitive, targeted, and attentive cleaning with the right pressure. And lastly, we have a remote job review system and drone control platform for operators to control this cleaning operation safely. Our key technology, we have 2 pieces here. The first is our proprietary patent-pending pressure control algorithm. This algorithm automatically controls the drone position and the nozzle to be able to apply fluid at the right place at the right pressure. The second is our know-how to integrate a multimodal teeter into the system. This teeter delivers power and fluid for continuous uninterrupted cleaning operation, maximizing the efficiency of the cleaning operation. And together, Spinoff Robotics is really just cleaning done better. The cargo hold business globally is $1.2 billion, or 600 million regionally, and we aim to capture a 15 million market size consisting of early adopters in the maritime sector. Our solution has gained traction from the built environment and maintenance sector. We are working with Land Transport Authority and Gardens by the Bay for sheltered linkway cleaning, super tree maintenance, and currently we are looking at potentially solar farm maintenance. And currently we are engaging with Tata NYK Shipping and Pacific Carriers Limited to test bed, validate, and adapt our solution for better cargo hold cleaning. And we want to tap on better conduit to market with strategic alliance and brand marketing. Our business model to drive adoption is really leasing and channel sales with a monthly software subscription for our intelligent job review and drone control platform. And we plan to use strategic partnership to be able to access the distribution network globally. We have a competent team with multidisciplinary and complementary skill sets to make this happen. We are a spin-off from SUTD, and we hope that we can really spin off and take off in the maritime sector. Thank you.